What if I told you? Volcanoes don't sleep, they wait? Deep underground, magma quietly expands. Slow, steady, like something breathing beneath us. Some volcanoes labeled extinct have suddenly erupted after thousands of years of silence. Scientists detect strange low rumbles coming from volcanoes that should be dead quiet. Those rumbles? They're pressure waves, the same kind recorded before massive eruptions. A silent volcano isn't safe. It's charging. If several wake up at once, life changes forever.